In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an upsell on Samcart in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Samcart or looking to refine your sales strategy, this simple process will enhance your customer offerings and potentially increase your revenue. So, let's jump right in and walk through the setup together. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head over to Samcart's website. This is where all the action happens. Once the web page loads, you'll need to log in using your Samcart credentials. As you do this, make sure you have access to the email and password associated with your Samcart account to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Upon logging in, you will land on the dashboard. This is your main control room for managing your products and sales strategies. The next step is to navigate to the Products tab. This is where you'll create a new product, specifically the one you intend to offer as an upsell. So, click on Create New Product and fill in the required details, such as the name, description, and price of the product. Remember, clarity and attractiveness in naming and describing your product can significantly impact its appeal to customers. This product is what customers will have the option to purchase after buying your main product. Now, with your upsell product ready, it's time to set up the main product. This product acts as the trigger for the upsell. Go back to the Products tab and select the main product you want associated with your upsell. This connection is crucial because it's the point at which your upsell opportunity will present itself to customers. Once you've selected your main product, click on the Offers tab located within the product's settings. This is where the magic of upsell creation happens. Look for the button labeled Create a New Upsell or Add New Upsell and click it. This will open a pop-up window or a slide-out modal, allowing you to start configuring your upsell. Within this window, begin by giving your upsell a distinctive name. Something catchy or descriptive can help in management and customer interaction spaces. Then, from the drop-down menu, attach the upsell product you previously created. This action links the two products together, ensuring your upsell is offered post-purchase. Click on Create Upsell to finalize these settings. You'll now find yourself on the Upsell settings page. Here, Samcart automatically generates a professional template for your upsell. This template will already be populated with the image, title, and text from your upsell product, making it look seamless and professional without the hassle of manual design. Finally, it's critical to save all the changes you've made to your upsell. Double-check each setting to ensure everything is in place. Once satisfied, hit that Save button. There you have it, a quick and efficient way to add upsells on Samcart, potentially boosting your sales with minimal effort.